Wake up with the sun. Don't tell anyone. Just call the boss from Reno. Tell him that you're coming down with something strong. Just turn off your sound. Check into a cheap motel. There's cable and a Bible, and if you want it, ISIS down the hall. Tell me how to disappear. Show me how it goes. 'Cause I'm ready to become a stranger in my clothes. Let me make it clear. Show me how to disappear.